What we want to do in this video is figure out what 2 divided by 0.4 is, or 2 divided by 4/10. So why don't you pause this video and try to figure out what it is. And it's a little bit of a hint. Think about 2 on the number line, and think about how many jumps of 4/10 do you have to make starting at 0 to get to 2 to figure out what 2 divided by 4/10 is. All right, now let's do it together. And as I mentioned in my hint, let's just think about how many jumps of 4/10 we have to make to go from 0 to 2. And on this number line, each of these, this is a 10th right over here, because we can see there's 10 equal spaces between 0 and 1. So let's take some jumps of 4/10. So if we start at 0, we can make, let's see, this is 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. That's 1 jump. I'll number that. And then we can make our next jump of 1, 2, 3, 4/10. That's right over there. That's 2 jumps. Then our next jump will take us right over there. So once again, I'm just making equal jumps of 4/10. Then my next jump will take us 1, 2, 3, 4/10 further. So that gets us right over there. We've taken 4 jumps. And then it looks like our 5th jump gets us there. 1, 2, 3, 4/10. Yep, our 5th jump gets us exactly to 2. So we've taken 5 jumps of 4/10 to go from 0 to 2. Or another way to think about it is, if you were to divide 2 into equal chunks of 4/10, you could divide it into 5 equal chunks of 4/10. Or you can make 5 equal jumps to go from 5 equal jumps of 4/10 to go from 0 to 2.